if people trust you with money, money can never be your problem again. Money can never be your problem. This money where everybody they struggle for, it can never be your problem again. Because if you do, money go come. Money go come. Money go come. Anything you just say, money go come. Because people already trust you, say, you dey deliver. That's all. The biggest problem for this life, the biggest problem for this life is for somebody giving you money and you not to deliver. Somebody send money give you, you don't deliver. That is the biggest problem. And that is the biggest problem to solve. The moment people lose trust in you, say they cannot give you their money again, that is the beginning of your failure. This failure what they talk about now is like the full beginning of your failure. Because nothing again you can do for this life so where you go succeed. You go this side so they don't trust you. They already know you already. So even you too, even yourself, you go just they see your failure. You go just they see yourself say, bro, I don't go. You go just they see yourself say, I don't go, I don't come out. I'm not part of the world again. My grandfather tell me something. My grandfather told me something. He said that I can do any other thing for this life, but these two things make I not try them. Number one, killing somebody. Make I not try them. No matter any other thing what they do for this life, make I not try to kill somebody, to kill human being. That is number one. Number two is chopping people's money, chopping somebody's money. He tell me, say, any amount I have, I should appreciate it. That one is the one that belongs to me. That is the one that I will eat and have my peace of mind. That is the one that I will eat and live long life. Now waiting this man told me, he no come out from my mind. So my grandfather, he no come out from my mind. Even if I forget any other thing for this life, I no go forget him. And at the moment you can be able to keep this, you will see that you will just be a truthful person. In all situations. Do you know why? Because anything you have will surely be yours. You will surely be comfortable with anything you have. That is the reason why I have no other problem. As of today, nobody for this life get peace of mind past me. Nobody for this life get peace of mind past me. You will ask why. The reason is because I know they chop people's money. That is the reason. Nobody can come today and say, I send money, give this person. As I did like this, because of what my grandfather told me, because of what this man told me, you know what happened? If I want to do something, I will first of all plan, ask myself, what will happen in this thing that I want to do? How much will I benefit? Imagine say if something like this happen, did I have the money to pay back? You fit give me money, make that money lock somewhere, make I use my personal money pay you. That is what my grandfather told me. I will use my personal money settle you. My grandfather told me that solution will surely come. Now wait till he tell me. He told me that solution will surely come. From where? Nowhere. But solution will surely come. I should just settle that person. I should just settle the person where they say the person give me money. If anything happens, say somebody lock the money, I should just settle the person. I should not give the person story. Make I settle the person. Solution will surely come. Now waiting my grandfather told me. I asked him how. Who will bring the solution? How will the solution? He tell me, say, no, don't worry. It will surely come. For that reason, if somebody want to work with me, I will first of all ask myself, if something happen, am I capable to refund, like to pay with my own money? Did I have extra money to pay? If that business goes successful, it's for my own side. If it go long, I have no reason to go and give you story. Do you understand? I have no reason to go and give you story. Say, you asked me to buy this bottle water. Unfortunately, the cargo burst. So this bottle water, you know, fit am again. With what again you want tell the person when no be refund this person. You see, somebody order something from you, pay the person. If something happens to that person money, as you collect that money, you should know that if you don't deliver, you will refund. That is what you should know before you collect money from somebody. It's very simple. Somebody give you money. If you as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a content creator, as a celebrity, as even God, you should know that if something happens to the money somebody sent to you to buy something, either you deliver or you refund. Chicken. Just to make sure, say you settle that person. Settle the person, let the person go. Fellow, let my people go. Fellow was owing who? The people. Say, fellow, let my people go. So fellow, you have to settle them or you deliver. Simple. Fellow need to deliver or you refund. So after what my grandfather told me, as of today, I promise my followers that as long as I'm alive, nobody go chop your money. We must find solution to fight for justice for you, because you deserve justice. Imagine somebody like me where they suffer, where we say every day I dey for sun, I dey struggle. Sun go match me. This thing so way they see, so no be my color. Make I gist you. This thing so way they see, so no be my color. I'm a fair person. I fair die. My stomach like this so still. If fair. Now so my stomach so fair. My body, full body fair past my stomach. Now sun, the heat person. Imagine somebody to struggle finish. Can't carry the money, can't give you. Make you can't lock am. You don't deliver. You don't refund. You will suffer. You don't deliver, you don't refund, you will suffer. Don't chop that money. Don't try to chop that money. Yes, don't chop it. Because if you chop it, you will die. Fellow, you must let the people go. Either you deliver or you refund. Don't chop that money. That money is poison. It's poisonous. Don't chop the money. Because that suffering, that pain where the person pass through, it is poisonous. If you no kill you, make it kill that person will give you that money. The poison, if you no kill you, will chop the money, make it kill the person will send the money give you. You will not understand this. You will not understand where my video is coming from until the day you will send money, give somebody, make the person lock your money. That is the day you will understand. You will understand my video fully. You go like, you see the length, so 11 minutes, you go watch and complete. Understand where my video they come from. We need to stop that. We need to stop that rubbish. In our blood today, I don't know whether I can call it black people. In our blood today, I don't think something like that they exist. Somebody will promise you, say, they say this thing, you go carry money, give them. You don't go deliver. You go chop the money. Somebody knows, say, visa. To do visa, go abroad, cost. The person go come tell our people, say, now 1 million. So when 100 people come deposit 1 million, give you, you go be 100 million, you go lock them. No try them again. No try them again. Enough is enough. The one you chop, It's okay. It's okay. Pause for now. Suspend for now. No try am again. Don't try it again. Men is angry. The youth is angry. For my own generation, man go suffer finish. Somebody go stand, lock the money. Why now? Why now? Imagine, say, for this, for this our own generation, say, we can be able to keep this particular rules and regulations, say nobody should chop anybody's money. You will sit down for your house, they sell. You don't need shop again. You will just dey inside your house like this, go China, go buy clothes, go inside market, go buy clothes. You go sit down like this. Transaction go just dey come because they already know say you go deliver. I hope you understand. It will help the society. You can sit down for your house like this, only just phone. You go just make video, put your phone number, put address. People will follow that address, come reach out to you, buy things from you. But now, where nobody trusts each other, nobody trusts you again. Nobody trusts you. For the sake of saying nobody trusts you, people know they buy again. Somebody go there for social media. The person will use his last card or her last card go buy clothes, buy product. You go keep them for house. They advertise and nobody will buy because people is afraid. They say if I send money give you, you no go send again. You no go send my goods come. For that reason, people know they buy again, and the people get the money. People get the money. No be say people no get the money. The money dey. But the problem is, if I send money give you, will you deliver? If you don't deliver, will you refund my money? That is where the problem dey. Tell yourself that nobody will try it again for where you dey. Touch yourself, say nobody will chop my money again. Nobody will try am. Nobody. We must find solution. The moment we can be able to find solution for this particular issue, you will see that bro, you are a rich man. You will see that you are a rich man. Now rich man you be, you are rich, you get money. But now this common mistake now block your way. This common mistake, that is what block your way. You're supposed to day your house like this just to make your money. Now trust we need. We need trust to sell. We need trust to grow. We need to trust ourselves. We need to trust ourselves. My name is still Millionaire Short Cash. If you find this particular video helpful, see you on my next video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you on my next video. One love.